Hey everybody, morning. Tip when you're doing these covers, put a little silicone on it, push it down, let it sit for a little bit, come back on, put the rubbers on the rest of the way. I got an email asking me how you can help with the channel for donations and whatnot. There is links down below in my descriptions of ways to donate. Amazon affiliate links. You purchase stuff through it. Gives me a little payback, a few cents on a dollar, maybe a penny or two on a dollar. Nickel, who knows. There's Chime down there, Cash App, PayPal links. Guy said, well, one person said that they'd like to help donate towards a toolbox, which I would love for that factor to ever happen. Anyway, enough on that. But like I said, everything's down below. The locals have dropped some mowers off. Pressure washers, backup blower, all need service or repair. That time of the season. I ain't gonna be doing no firewood today. We got a nasty storm coming in. We'll head over to the garden. These pallets are huge and they're heavy. And they're gonna be getting used for part of the add-on of the garage. Got a little composting. We picked that up from the local farmer the other day. It's been sitting about a year. The onions are, we'll take a little look, doing really good. Yep, that they are. We got the rebar the other day for the wall going around this lower section for this bed. We're going to raise it up 16, 24 inches, whatever it is. But we ain't going to be doing much outside today. We got tons of cardboard we need to get to the dump. So much stuff going on, no time. If you're in the Bedford area, Southwest Virginia area, whatever, they're all used tires over there. We used to sell them pretty damn cheap. And if you need one and you're close by, hit me up. You can hit me up with an email, Facebook, or come in Discord. All them links are down below. And we'll check see what tires we got for you. There's the fencing for the garden. This old mobile home needs to be tore down. It was here when I bought the place. Anybody's interested in that old Bowens, let me know. It actually runs. The decks for it right there. We got the brush hog deck, and we got the other mow deck. And I think I got the plow for it. I got the starter for it. It needs to be put back on. I had to rebuild it. That Troy built there probably ain't got 60, 70 hours on it. And hell, they destroyed it over my farm. And so I need to see what's all up with that. But yep, that's where we're at. That's what we got going on. Hopefully we'll get the valve covers in. And we'll get the valve covers on. Get some electrical hooked up to the engine today. I do gotta go help the local farmer. We're gonna butcher a cow. And yeah, later folks.